Rosalee, look here. Come here, my baby. Cause you know me love you. And everything people send come give you, you have to go out and ball out and cuss and go on Rosalee. No. No. You say if you watch the video with a Negos in him, Negos and Negos, you say if you watch the something with him, he mistake you, he mistake a girl for your name. So he was giving her credit. Then when him see you in all form, Rosalee, and at this me try to tell you. Me try to tell you this, and me try to tell you Raja this, and me remember who else. We all have to accept and understand that I'm going to put this properly so that you can understand. Let me use me. You know much people still gonna tell me I'm crying. You know much people tell me I'm ugly. You know much comment them leave and say one thing with Shebada gonna stay crying. Rosalee, the net is very wide. The net is very wide, and people are gonna body shame you. People are gonna cuss you about your beauty. People are gonna class you about every single part of you. It is you to show them your self-esteem. People love you, but they will poke you. And everything people say come show you. Negos just react in a... Let me tell you. Negos is a youth like this. You. Him gonna talk where him believe. And kill him dead, him a comedian. And you can't take that away from him. And what he did was like... I would have done the same thing if I never know you. And that's just the honesty about it. I probably would have done the same thing if I never know you. And what if people see me and say, watch the ugly, what's it. And I say, I'm glad me never drop out of my mother cute. I'm glad me drop out with that shape. Yeah, I'm going about my business. Rosalee, let me say this. Ask Britney. The thing that got Britney to the back is the fact that she want people to see through fair eyes. No one will ever see. See, baby girl, warmer. No one will ever see through your eyes. Yeah, they will try to enjoy what you're enjoying, but they will never see through your eyes. How do you see yourself versus how others see you? Rosalee, it's true. This don't make no sense. Rosalee, this makes no sense. Play your match. Go on your ways. Do you have kids? Don't body go in a year already? Do you know sex feel? That's all we need. That is the qualification enough for our life. If body are going on me. Right now me a hurdle old. And that's just the truth. Nobody now gonna tell you the truth. It's just the truth. For true. Cute stitch, nobody rub her some man. Lad. He's a part of our cute stitch. No, but it's true. And people use your weakness to get at you at all times. No, you can't make a man know your weakness. You never watch Bush Karate show yet. And the fox hide in weak spot because they don't want them find it and weaken him. You can't make them know. No, you make... Not everybody gonna like we. Not everyone is going to like us. People now gonna like we. People now gonna ever like we. You have some people who just wake up for 8 way. You have to live with them. You have to live with them, Rosalee. Rosalee, me can't bet say your community not like you. You have 2 girls in there with 8 you. So I'm to the internet. After you never come here so for build room, you have pilgrim, you pass through. No man, you can't have people disrespecting you like that. You say Negos and Rosalee, you can't go up to him, my baby. And that's just the truth. You can't go up to him. It's not lie. Come here for God train you. For real. But he said, let me tell you the truth. Him not do nothing when me wouldn't do. I mean now go say bright him not do him say, you know what, me I come out for this. Give him the credit. Give him the credit. He said nothing bad about you, Rosalee. No make them dirty people here send you not farm and negativity. He said